Enable Quick Launcher on Samsung One UI. Quick Open Applications. Add more gestures. Quick Settings. Galaxy Store. Good Lock or Fine Lock on Play Store. Open Good Lock. Life Up tab. One-hand operations plus plugin. Enable Custom Handle. Diagonal up. You can choose from list. Diagonal down. Quick Launcher. Open apps without tapping. Custom right handle. Diagonal up. Quick Tools. Swipe down to active Quick Launcher. Swipe up to take screenshot. Open Quick Tools. Turn off to return default. Thanks for watching video.